Jackson, what is this? What is this? Did you chew this book up? Did ya? Are you gonna look at me? Jax. Jax.
Huh? Who did this? Who did this? Einstein, was it you? Rideau? Did you do this? Rideau.
Halo? Did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo?
Thor, what is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?
Laurel, what did you do this afternoon? Did you do that? Did you maybe eat that bag of treats, Laurel?
What did you do, lady? Lady Jane. She did something. What lady? Lady, look at me.
Did you do that? I knew you did something. You gave it away. I didn't even see it till you gave me that face.
Kylan, come here. Kylan.
Is that yours, buddy? Is that yours, dude? Did you chew up that?
Pogo, what's this? Come here, Pogo.
I really think that might have been us.
Come here.